Yes guys, today we are going to learn how you can add the table content. Maybe you are designing or you are working on some report, you are making a book, whatever thing you are doing, and you know that the table contents is really very important in a book. It gives the references where the entire contents are found. It gives the locations of the content according to the pages. How can you do this? And I always see many people or a lot of people just do things in a hard way. Yes, they do things manual, but today I'm going to show you how you can put this thing in the automated way. It's going to be very simple. Let me just jump into my computer and I show you. So guys, maybe you are still new in the Microsoft Office Word. Microsoft Office Word look like this. Yes, it look like this. So maybe you have typed your content and you wanted to add the table content. How can you do that? We are going to use only the two tabs, the home tabs and this path here, references. So for now we are going to start our journey from here. For example, if this is the content I wanted to be in my table content, how can I do this? I will highlight this one here. Maybe this is some topics. Highlight it just like this. As you can see, I have this one here, heading style, right? Heading style 1. Click on it, select it. If you see like it has caused too much changes, make your content to be unique, go and reduce the font size. As you can see, the font size of this one, the what? This one, the font size is 11, but the one that you have given it, the heading style has increased up to 16. I will reduce it up to 11 like that. You understand, like that. So this one is done unto it. So let me just go here and I also get this one there. This one also adding to. I reduce the font size up to 11 like that. So let me just go here. I also get this one here. Don't copy the entire line. Don't copy the entire line. Copy the small content, just half of that line. Don't copy the full line content. So this one also I'm going to add it. You can reuse the same style. Don't worry. I know that some of you might be think like that one is one time use. You can reuse it. You understand? You can reuse it. Okay, let me highlight this one here. This one here. And this one here. Okay. So heading 4. I unchecked the italic here because I don't want that style. Right. So I'm going to scroll down. Even if you have 1,000 pages, this is the way you can do it. This is the way you can do it. If you have 1,000 pages, it's very simple. You can do it like this. So, and at the end of the day, you will auto generate just only in one click. You see the table content auto generated. So just do like this, the way I'm doing it. I'm moving step by step so that you can also do it. Alright, so let me first get also this one here. Let me be faster at this time. It's like this, like this. I go to another page here. I go to another page here, like that. This is heading. Okay, it depends. Maybe this is enough for you. Maybe these are all the content that you have, right? Highlight it. This is a 9. Uncheck the italic. Increase the font size to 11. That's it. So when you are done with highlighting, applying the heading style, the remaining thing that you need to do is put your cursor where you want the table content to be. Normally the table content has to be before the content. You understand? Before the content. Let it be on the page before our content. Okay. Now I'm going to put it here on the first page here. First page. I use the enter key to send the work down. As you can see, I was using the enter key. Put the enter key at the beginning of your paragraph and press it down and strike on it 0 times so that you send your work down. It's very simple. So I'm going to put my table content here. How can you do it? It's very simple. Go under references tab here. As you can see, I have here table contents. Click on it. So when you're using the Microsoft for 2007, you're going to see some uniqueness here where I'm pointing here. Instead of seeing this one, custom table contents is going to be insert table content. The same story, just go and click on it like that. So I'm going to increase the level up to 9. The table content level is up to 9, but it cannot exceed 9. It is from 1 up to 9. Make sure you increase it up to 9. As you can see, these are the preview of the table content, how it's going to be. You understand? Also, you can change the tab leader from here. If you wanted it like this, select it. If you don't want it like that, like that. So for now, I'm not going to do anything. Just come and just click OK like that. Boom, here it is. As you can see, we are able to insert our table content just in a few seconds. Have you seen that? Yes, it's very simple. Right now I'm going to just put my cursor here to organize it on the same line like that. I use the backspace key. So it's very simple. Let me just click over here, put this one down. I want to add the table. I want to add the heading here, table of content, contents, contents. Yes, like that. Should be tables, not like this. Should be table. It should be tables. Yes, you run the spelling check. I got it. So like that. Now let me just bold it and I increase the font size. Yes, like that. If you have 1,000 pages, this is the way how you can do it. It's very simple. You have 1,000 pages, this is the way how you can do it. It's very simple. So I hope you have learned this one. I hope you have learned it. So please, it's just very simple. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask more questions so that you also know more. So I hope you have learned something. Make sure you drop your comment in the comment sections, like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.